Mwancho muligereri ne chinsa isano ibere cy'umubasobono na namono kitariki 15 ibere mutinyo gatano kabere na umubasolero ayanga manga buchite asemesa itoyoburalia na yakurwa asensemo ya siasa byama aho nigo byendete kuruchinkwana nabo igabarai kubwatekana no bochori buri bwabete bogokorekana asensemo yebunge yolkalao chinguru ku Innocent Onyango ngote bigendera kubwati mitandao yaitu Facebook na bogoto bwati bune Ensoko TV ogenda asensemo ya YouTube na go subscribe na goto bwati una Ensoko TV. Abo wale asenseme go chakero mu MCA bwe abo wale asenseme go chakero mu MCA bwe godi abo gichora nabo igo mujumbe Steve Mugaka kubakonya eliogo ikirania amagendero asenseme yu
ngurukwe chifta mayaka iga obo mayene bwa amangana ari ga nyamiru atu cyandike tubuna ba mtubaru kwana amangana tubwatana makongusana chikura to kubeka kamiri na to kubeka sakuna mbiri chikura to begete gakiga sikotokorera mbali gotokorera wana to sina ki inkibona mechandikiro estimo mayene ba te bila ba mtujikwa ina mucho chitete gorogaiga uchimekende nkeyo oko ile simnyo omuchibo muntapale para kuchikwa kwanya risasi kerekendi ya rusi ule simime go kwanya nesimiri sasi ndiyo abandi kwanya ya tunyona machime wana tuchandita so bwenge
si kwa machina tena mimi naitwa Richard Yanali nasema kwamba kura tumeweka saiti kwa wingi. Mtu anakuja anatutanganya anasema nitakwafanyia kazi, lakini kazi yenye tulimchagulia aende kufanya hafanyi. Kwa hivyo parapara hatuna, sitima hatuna, kutravel mpaka hapa ni sita sana. Wakati mvua inanyesha mambo yanakuwa mbaya kabisa. Watu wanateseka hapa.
Kakio tuchandegete nechikuru twabegete chionsi. Utobwata abakogu.
Mareta Richard Yanali wachi igaiga Nyameru sublocation. Ntobwate obokongu gaiga ntobwate school mata secondary ko Nyameru secondary school abalimu ngocha bara bali nechigari yabagocha bakwanyara bagusaba chitransfer kiagera chipara ntobwati chipare chigure chiakwama estimatro che bichanga byete gorabosa abantu bakonyora mbali bagotabokanirwa epara uchikoira simigo chachirigwa kwata ngatari aiga roreso koira guchi asengenje igo chime guchirisa buma abantu mbabwati stima
atugusaba Steve Mugaka na George Murara bakikisha na ingotokonya bali 2027 yaikiri.
Sasa tunaomba Steve Mugaka atuangalie hapa Nyameru sublocation atuweke stima
abara yedda tutorasari amagenderero kwanza para
mwesimiwa Steve Mugaka twatebyo mwesimiwa Murara patokonye pareye etuchandike gaiga butambe nabo tubwato bokongo
tokorwa chinsebe cyo cyanyameru homokonyi bumuraibwe kyamagia Jubilee Mosque Fred Matiangi okwanire kirenga yokobeko murembe chinga kicha siasa asagikeria abantu balia bakora chiburaburu senseme yechiro ya Keumbu nabo igo ekera barayibalinda mwananchi barenge asemesangerekano yabo yorogongo rwagusi chikibere cha Matiangi nigaya kwaniraya ekerale asechiro ya Keumbu kalenjira kogenda asomuyega bwoko mwenya Vincent Osiemo uyu nando manyekani tasili yetalinde mapinduzi
tutwara omurembe lero iga unatokoruga iga kogenda vile tunatoka hapa leo kwenda kushika yule kijana ambaye alikufa kwa sababu ya hii maneno. Iwe leo ndio siku ya mwisho ya kuongea mambo ya guns na mambo ya violence hapa Kisii. Hatuna shida na mtu yeyote, viongozi wetu waelewe wote. Hata kama hatuko kwa chama moja, sawa, sisi ni demokrasia. Hata kama wewe unataka kuunga mkono serikali, sawa, hiyo ni haki yako ya kidemokrasia. Lakini kumwaga damu, hapana. Kuua watu, hapana. Unataka unataka hivyo? Kupeleka mishale kwa mazishi ya watu, hapana. Kubolie meyo, kubolie makombe, esemi n'abantu bakule na nota y'uko abantu. Obona bwo baganda. Obuno bochoni bwo baganda. Obona ni. Obago tenaiga abagole ndagera bamanya kogenda. Gakite iyo yobo gimabwa ito n'abagusi. Twana komanyanga chisegi ko rwanu chire keungu igaiga. Twana ko wanache keungu. Abantu baminto banyari bari ronda gedemba te montegere. Nyari bari yega. Yagambewe abarayi bagusi abanene bakumete history ngima. Ozipi yobatinne tabane nyari bariga. Kongo mwaka James Nyamweya. Omwaka Andrew Manga. Omwaka Minto Simeon Nyachaurarire. Omwaka Professor Ngei. N'abaka abonzi bagambega. Omwaka Machogo. Abonzi bina abantu bariwetega nyari bari. Tipwana gotwara obokaya yubo n'abantu baje kwa magena keungu. Abantu baminto tigambatebi igombo ligichikura isiko gana chagale era senge njegende igombo etana na isiko ngombo ligichikura cha Kenya jo president kola ni numwantebi ndiki go sentige ko ligibo tara ko chikera asengo genda igombo tagete ngende mwaka abantu maginaga igogenda buruya abantu baso basibura bana magina abantu baminto tigambatebi abahuzi basiare kanete kenyeye uno mwaka nyajale odunyulia koruretu apaka kehanja apaka mpeketoni paka kirase tego toka ngani intwe tutake toka kole bindo iga bigo chikozereria abantu baite dieta bitagwenerete naende siasa ituko ndiyo siasa gusiga yana kogera tochiko itera manyinga kana abantu togoita na motaka tepanye ngecheka buri
Rigeli no mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i kalenchira kugenda sa matanga yoko mwene yagosira mapinduzi tokagenda busio muraibwe kyama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua kwanire magega y'umuchumbe omochole Sami Waweru kobwa ekirugo kyobocholi oboke Wolkalau kolengana na Gachagua obwibwa DCP nigobole ekyorokereri kyo obocholi obonene buli busio omwaka w'ikirube 2022 na niga kwanire ekerengo kyokorwa maki kikiarorekana chinga kichie chi campaign nonyarabo Rigathi Gachagua nigatebire abakichukura imeyense nigo babwato bwoba bwogotoranwa kwa machibu y'uburayi bwense kerabura chikobo gokorekana umwaka bw'ikirubere 2022 nigaya kwaniraya korwa sensemo ya Nyahururu ime ye county ya Laikipia.
I'm a leader who listens to the ground. I listen to the people. From what I have heard, I would like to contextualize what happened in Olkalau in the greater conversation of the Republic of Kenya. All over this country, people have told us they are done with William Ruto. It is finished. It is over, Mr. President. The people are resolute that they will not vote for this rogue administration again. But they have one fear. Their fear is not that he'll win. They know he can lose. Their fear is that when William Ruto loses, he will refuse to accept it and steal the election. He'll use stolen money he is accumulating and the capacity for violence he is building up to take the victory by force. William Ruto flooded Olkalau constituency with obscene amounts of money. Kenya shillings 14 billion in projects over 3 months. 1.1 billion Kenya shillings directly in cash. He stripped mattresses from hospital wards to donate. He brought gas cylinders and even speedboats in dams where there is no fish or fingerlings. In full view of the country, William Ruto shamelessly tried to bribe the voters. The people stood their ground and said no. I now want to confirm to the people of Kenya, dirty money cannot alter the fate of William Ruto in 2027. William Ruto sent the entire state machinery to Olkalau. Cabinet ministers, principal secretaries, the government officials were more than the voters. To campaign and camped in Olkalau for 3 months, bribing people and promising projects. Members of parliament were all over Olkalau with sacks of money. The IBC commissioners, the ones meant to guard our election, violated electoral laws with impunity. In full view of the country, William Ruto misused state resources to project power and manipulate the people of Olkalau. The people stood their ground and refused to be deceived. The supposed deep state and system cannot alter the fate of William Ruto in 2027.
Mwanchumulirili nenkwana ya yeri Gachagua maiga yobochori obuboke bwense moyo Olkalau nonya nabo nigambentere goteba ng'ikiama kia UDA bono nigakirariri gosiria obugima bwaya sense Mount Kenya. Kera tutigarite ase chinkwana chobochori ubasero rero nigo chinkwana chobochori kigendete ko bachigosoka na mono maiga yobochori bwensemo ya Olkalau na ase bwango ige kiama kia UDA gwetera umurikyo munene Hassan Omar nigo giatebire murai bwense nigagendete gosire nsemo ya Mount Kenya nonya nabo nigatebire nigo ikiamekyo kirachie kurigereria emeroberi yaye yo gokora siasa asense meyo ya Mount Kenya.
The president is not giving up, the party is not giving up on whether be it Mount Kenya, West or East, or any part of this country. And we shall continue this political representation and participation. And we shall compete in every corner of this country in the next general elections. We pray to God that He gives all our members of parliament long life and MCAs, that we do not have to occasion any by-elections in any place of this country. But should there be a by-election for whatever reason, even where the odds look stacked against the UDA party, we will participate with the same audacity, with the same courage, with the same candor, with the same vigor, with the same programs, because we have done something for this country. We were selling development while others were selling emotions. But we will continue to sell the performance of this government in all parts of the country. I also want to thank all our supporters, campaign managers, the leaders who are there. We thank you most heartedly for that gallant fight. All of you demonstrated extraordinary resilience, zeal, and commitment. Leaders led by Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah, friends of the party, Dennis Itumbi, former Cabinet Secretary Moses Kuria, and others. It's a heavy investment. UDA invested heavily because we wanted to demonstrate that we do not exclude anyone. UDA invested heavily because the president acknowledges Mount Kenya, West and East supported him immensely in his bid for presidency. UDA invested heavily because I think that's what governments do in election cycles. We hardly campaigned in Banisa, it came home. Malava was a different strategy, it came home. Baringo, we had a strategy, it came home. Isiolo, we had a strategy, it came home. We had a partnership with our brothers in Kasipulu, Unguja, Magarini, they all came home. So maybe this one, there could be also other shifts that might be beyond strategy, and we'll address them as time progresses. Mwambie Chacha, hata sisi tuli whitewash Gideon mara kadhaa.
Wanchumulirili nenkwana yaye mulike mane kiama kia UDA Hassan Omar na kwigura goteba nga chinsemo chinde nigo na baro babete bakonyole birogo tokogenda busia baraikurwa asensemo ya Taita Taveta nigo bono basabira abanyanyimbo kubeko mulembe nabo igo gokora obutukilio kubebeka byara bantau bakagire bagendete kurubilia chiburaburu chingakia barai balinda mwananchi barachikopa bakora umusangirekano bo imeye county ya Taita Taveta barai balinda mwananchi au bakoragwa no seneta bwe county ya Nairobi Moskedu Sifuna nigo barachigotwara umusangirekano imeye county yo mwali wiki.
Tangaza last week kwamba tutakuwa na shughuli hiyo, kuna watu wamekimbia wanaandika kwa mitandao kwamba wanataka kufanya parallel rallies ili kuvuruga amani. Tunataka kusema kwamba sisi ni hapa Taita Taveta hatuna vita. Taita Taveta hatujakuwa na fujo. Taita Taveta tunajulikana kwamba ni kaunti ya amani. Yeyote ambaye anataka kutengeneza parallel rally huyo ni adui wa amani ya ndani ya kaunti ya Taita Taveta, na hatutamruhusu alete ama vuruge mkutano wetu ambao ni walinda mwananchi.
Na tunaomba polisi wetu kwamba waweze kuwa very vigilant, kwa sababu kuna characters wachache ambao wanafikiria wako na monopoly ya violence na kudisrupt mkutano hapa katika kaunti hii. Tunataka kuambia polisi kwamba sisi we are solely behind you, na hatutaki mambo ya goons, kwa sababu vijana wetu wametuambia kwamba wao wako tayari kuondoa any element ambayo itakuwa imeonyesha dalili ndogo tu ya kujaribu kudisrupt mkutano wowote.
Mwancho muligiriri tigatoiranira sorobotiri okurwa ase county ya Nyamira so mugabana bwe county eyo Muskamos nyaliba kwaneire meroberio yogokinia ebirengo bya Chinyagitari ase county eyo asoboyiga kwaneire amagendere serikali ya enekirie na namona sasa bira anyara kwabaga kwa igwe ntundende kurai county ya Nyamira.
Onko bakera mbia mono aso konga grazikura mokakikisha na achire office officially igabanda batebire gatigantu achite to koma na official baino gabatebide baendera ko bakera mbia mono na mandera koregas ekiagara abantu mbare wale ose na iru batana wocha na 5 years bago tona na mira kende keyo kagenda Kende nkeyo kagenda Morigo colegas Neme ukobare Bama atinke kagenda ta Muna unumore ground Mumaite chibara chigenda ta. Now by November every ward should have received at least 15 Maram Road by end of November. Kwa December tuanze phase 2 chiri tuanzilete na chochio ama koria tigarete togendero yakora ase education musubati na bereza lakini baona gese tobekero ngori abana 4,000 bamenta kanje 4,000 extra otuanga 30,000 wana toike 34 yabana 4,000 ngibarenge magori ngoda samabare ilero ngori ne mbose nengie naenda. In addition to that tuasoile gendeweka ku digital learning omwako eta tuasina 210 schools lakini wekere tamwe school chonsi chanyore digital learning omwako eta tuatie gendeweka kwa fund ya Mariogo eyo tokobega chibesa ime unabona juni na beka 100 million. Umatienye tara ikaga sigati nimenda 200 million. Chia Mariogo. Yoshi Nyagatari chichinke. Ekero. Chia Nerwa Mariogo. Tani toko da kurukemsa. Yobago cha banyo supplies.
Mwanchumuligiri liko igure nga county ya Nyamira negendete okora magendero na nemono bali muchiyo Nairobi mwatebuka big round wikirabu mwanchumuligiri nencengo atembi ya mono kwa bana inche na yigona ikiro mweli wa maya chetri chitaika 19 maiga yechinsa isano na ibere ngo gatebigendera kubwatigeta seni gitu gya Soko TV inchego korukwa Innocent Onyango.